This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Kia Sorento. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, Bluetooth cell phone integration, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, performance tires, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. This Kia has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Smale Pre-Owned Center is conveniently located at Route 30 East in Greensburg. We are less than a half a mile from the Westmoreland Mall. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials and leasing offers, or give us a call at 877-604-4331.